Morning children, how are you? I hope everyone is fine. In last previous class, what we studied about tongue and ears. So before I start into next topic, I want to just ask, to describe about tongue. Now you understood that tongue helps to, it is very sensitive to taste different food items. Next, ears helps us to hear various sounds. I already said different sounds around your surroundings you are able to hear. So these two are very important parts. Next part I want to discuss briefly about skin. Skin. So when you are seeing your body, you can see full our body is covered with the skin. So skin is the largest organ in our body. Skin is very largest part. It covers all our body parts inside, like heart, intestines, brain. So all these parts are internally covered through skin. So you can feel through the skin all rough and smooth surfaces. So children, in your house you observe today, around your house, in your room or anywhere outside surroundings, you can see various objects, things which are smooth and rough. You can even experience by asking your mother to show some things, whether it is smooth or rough. And when you are going outside and playing in the park, you can feel some rough surfaces and smooth surfaces, like slide, it is smooth. So you can also experience, and you write all your experiences one by one, what are smooth and rough. Then you can enjoy all the surfaces by experiencing the different surfaces. Next, through the help of skin, you can feel whether it is hot or cold. Hot or cold you can feel. How you can feel? So when you are touching, suppose I want to show you. Now I am pouring water. Whether it is hot or cold, how can I understand? If I dip my finger in the water, if it is cold, I can feel it is hot. Immediately I remove my finger. Why? Because it is very hot. If it is cold, if you can still a little bit can feel the sense. So by this in home, you can touch different hot and cold objects, and you feel that whether it is hot or cold, you can experience it. Next, skin helps us to feel the pain. How? Suppose your friend or you yourself, when you fall on the road or you fallen from the staircase, suddenly you are injured. What happened to that? So you feel pain. Immediately when you are injured, you feel pain, and even you feel some blood coming out of your body also. So that is, you are feeling with the help of the skin. Pain. Next, if you are bitten with an insect and honeybee is the best example. Suppose you are bitten by a honeybee, you feel a lot of pain, and this all you are feeling with the help of your sensing, with the help of skin. So, and it also protects our all parts, inside parts and outside also. It will keep our body warm. It is like a outer cover of our body, how we wear the clothes, and to cover our body in all the seasons. This skin also, it will play an important role in protecting our internal organs. So one by one again we discuss what is it. Skin will help us to feel rough and smooth surfaces. Next, it will help to feel hot or cold objects. Next, it will help to feel pain, like injured or bitten by some other insects. Next, it also protects our body parts externally and internally. It will keep our body warm. So next, we will go to nose. This nose also plays an important role in sensing all different types of smells. Children, you like to enjoy all the smells around you, yes or no? Yes, because you like, why? If you see somewhere mother is preparing a dish, you want to enjoy this smell. After that smell, then you start watering your mouth, you want to eat that dish. So you go to your mother and you will ask, what is it smell, mother? So I want to show what is the children. You can see here my labeling is a dustbin. This is. So no one likes to go near dustbins. So I want to show some. Inside dustbins there are many materials, like you can see stones, dry leaves, and some papers, all which will throw in the dustbin. So when we go near dustbin, we feel some foul smell will come and bad smell. No one will like to go near the dustbins. So we'll be far away from the dustbin. We will feel bad smells from socks and this garbage. So next we'll get fragrance from the this all scents we get smells like all this all smells know about this. You feel very nice by seeing this fragrances when your mother offers a god. Next when you go for this see the soap bath soap also you feel very nice smell fragrance smell. So when you spray also you may get different smells. You may get the good smell. You enjoy the smells. So like this you can sense smells of fragrances like bad smell, good smell and fragrances by the smell. So hope you understood. Thank you children. Have a good day.